It's the magic of math here, and today we're going to write a real-world expression where we take a word phrase and divide it into 3 parts so that we can translate it into a mathematical expression. Here we go. We're told that Diego writes 6 poems per week, and we're asked to write an expression to show the number of poems Diego writes in W weeks. And we're going to enter our expression in the space provided. So at home, you are going to write it on a piece of paper. And here's where I'm going to ask you to pause the video, write your expression using this information, and then come back and hit play to see mine. Good luck. Welcome back. So we are going to write an expression, and we're going to be using this W weeks in our expression. So here we have Diego writes 6 poems per week. So let's bring that down to our workspace because this is really what we want to translate into a mathematical language. So in English, 6 poems per week. So we're going to divide this into 3 parts. The number of poems, this is our math word, per, and then what we have is weeks. So we need to understand that 6 poems in our mathematical expression is going to be represented using the number 6. So 6. Now we need to talk about the word per. When we talk about the word per in math, that means multiply. So if I say that you can have these books and it costs $2 per book, you're going to multiply 2 by the number of books. Here, we're going to multiply the number of weeks by 6 because Diego writes 6 per week. So 6 times, and then we say per week. Well, we were told that week, we're going to use the variable W. So we're going to change week to be the variable W because we were given that information in our problem. So 6 multiplied by W, in its simplest form, would be 6W. There's an invisible multiplication sign here. That said, if I were your teacher, I would accept also these phrases. 6 multiply sign, so product of W and 6. 6 times W, and you could also write multiplication using the dot. So again, it's assumed when we have 6 in front of a variable that it's 6 multiply by W. So any of these 3 mathematical expressions I would accept. And there you have it. This is what represents 6 poems per week mathematically. And that's how you write a real-world expression, by breaking it into parts. Thanks for joining me today at The Magic of Math, where we master math one video at a time. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you come back soon.